Red rocks to the Grand Tetons. Hello there, folks. Welcome back to our exciting channel. In today's episode, we're going to embark on a remarkable voyage through the impressive landscapes of the American West, spanning from rugged red rocks to the grandiose mountains and everything in between. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your cameras and let's begin. First and foremost, we come across the well-known red rocks, an emblem representing the southwest region of the United States. These are inspiring formations proudly stand as a testament to both the immense power of nature and the undeniable beauty of our beloved planet. Moving forward, we drive towards the mountains, where the landscape swiftly transforms into a breathtaking paradise. The majestic Tetons, the Grand Tetons, and the series of mountain ranges found in Yellowstone National Park are just a few of the multitude of pristine mountain ranges scattered across the western landscape. As our journey progresses, we are greeted by the dramatic Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, a natural wonder that consistently leaves us speechless. This awe-inspiring canyon demonstrates the undeniable power of nature, simultaneously showcasing the exquisite beauty of our planet. Upon completing our route, we finally arrive at the enticing rolling hills, a visual representation of success and prosperity. These hills symbolize the sweat and hard work of countless individuals who have contributed significantly to the prosperity and success of our great nation. We would like to take a moment to thank you for accompanying us on this special virtual exploration of the American West. We highly hope you have had a mesmerizing experience watching the captivating landscapes unfold before your eyes, as well as appreciate the rich diversity displayed in our great nation. If you found this video enjoyable, please allow us to show you some appreciation by hitting the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive even more enthralling content. Until next time, always remain curious and continue your explorations.